Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your general reading from 21st to 27th of September. Alright, and we will see what are the general messages for you in the coming week. So let's see what is there for my Virgos. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Virgos in the coming week, that is from 21st till 27th of September. Please, for my Virgos in the coming week, what is there? Okay. So what's happening in the general environment? The Chariot. Okay, so this is something good. This is something fast. Your environment is the things which are happening, they are really, they are really happening fast. Whatever you are wanting, you are actually able to achieve some things. Then what is the conflict if you are already doing everything? So the Emperor. Okay, so this is dicey. This is something fishy over here, because the Chariot is like doing what you actually want. When the Chariot comes, it never wants to hear no. Okay, if you want to do something, if you want to go somewhere, whatever you want to do, this is a yes from the Chariot. The environment is telling you that okay, yes, go on, move on. But with the Emperor, there are always restrictions. Whatever you want to achieve, some kind of restriction will come. Whatever you want to do, some kind of restriction, some kind of a person might be, because of the environment, you might be, there might be some kind of delays in the situation. And that is what is happening, because with the Emperor over here, it is like, okay, no, it's a no from the Emperor, because he is the fatherly figure. He is a very strict personality. Those things, those kind of restrictions, that boundaries, that is what is happening with you. Okay, you want to move, but the restrictions are not letting you to move. Okay, so what is the foundation of the situation? The wheel. So the foundation of the situation is how everything is changing. So this Wheel of Fortune is something, when the wheel is rotating, when the things are changing and they're actually coming in your way. So you might be cursing this kind of restrictions right now, but this is the God's order for you, that things are changing, yes, but if the delays are happening, because I'm letting the delays to happen. So this is with the Wheel of Fortune. Things are actually coming in your favor, though you are feeling that they are not coming in your favor, though you are feeling that everything you want to do, you are not able to go somewhere, you are not able to do something, you are not be able to might promote in your work, your job, a new job, whatever, but things are actually coming in your favor. That is something which you are not able to see. That is something. Okay, what's your past energies? King of Swords. So there was a decision which was made in the past, and this was a very very strict decision, or this was a decision which was taken by your mind. And with the King of Swords, it's like, yes, this King of Swords is very practical, and this decision was actually very practical. Whatever decision you have made in your past, this was a very practical decision. Whatever you wanted to do, and yes, you were consistent in this thing, and that is why you decided to move on. The things over here are actually coming up, they are very positive. When you actually, at least you are not in a position where you are not able to decide. The decision has been made, you want to move on. It's the environment which is not supporting you right now, but your decision, you are clear, and that is really beautiful over here. See, first three cards are the major arcana, so this might be a major change in your life. in your head, going in your mind. 8 of cups. So your goals, your purpose, your aim. See, I'm really getting that, your subconscious mind is telling you that things might be fine somewhere at the back of your mind. Your subconscious mind is positive, but your conscious mind is becoming a little negative, because consciously you are feeling that, this thing might not be made for me. Some kind of negative stuff might be coming. Let's just move away from the situation, because you want to move. With the Chariot, you want to move forward, but with the 8 of cups, I'm seeing that you are getting emotionally detached from the situation. Do not, if negative thoughts are coming in your mind, do not let that happen, because things are actually working in your favor. So be positive for it, Virgos. Everything will happen the way you planned. Everything will happen the way. Your future energies, 5 of swords. So see this, you are manifesting the 8 of cups over here. You are manifesting negative energies. Negative energies will come towards you. So stop manifesting, stop attracting negativity. Otherwise, it will come towards you. Start attracting the positive stuff. Start saying positive stuff like I am successful, I am this, I am kind, I am beautiful. Whatever you want to manifest, start saying it, so that you will be able to see that thing in practical way. Okay, it will come in the practical approach as well. So you don't have to be, this kind of stuff, the mental trauma and everything. You don't want to enter in this zone, right? So just attract the positivity. How you see yourself as the Queen of Cups. So a very beautiful card. This is that intuitive energy which you are actually receiving with the Queen of Cups. You are getting that intuitions, you are getting that love, that emotional attachment. You are actually able to see yourself like that. This is you right now. Queen of Cups is basically Cancer energy, but a very loving energy. So you are in love, might be as well. How people see you, the environment around you, 2 of swords. So things around you. See, I told you that your decision was final. You have taken some decision, you are working on it. The environment is not working. The restrictions are coming from the environment. So this is the environment energy around you, 2 of swords. So they are already, see how this girl over here, she is tangled over here and she is untangling herself. She is like, see, people from around the, see two crows are just making her life, she is like, she's busy untangling herself over here. And that is why the environment around you is like this. You are clear, but the environment is not clear. The people around you, they are not clear. So just have a look on that thing, okay? Because this 2 of swords and this 5 of swords is actually looking to me a very similar energy. See how this crow is continuously poking him, like telling him, manipulating him, trying to tell him, trying to enter his head. And over here as well, these crows are trying to enter her head. So this is the thing which is happening and which will happen again. People around you will try to manipulate you, but you have to be clear what you want. Lessons you need to learn, 6 of cups. Your hopes and fears are as well over here. So this is, I'm really getting that there is a hope in you. You are, there are memories, there are some kind of thoughts which are actually coming up, and you are very positive. With those thoughts, you want to achieve, good life. You want to be happy. You are seeing yourself as a child again. Okay, you want to start again a new life. This is your hope, but still you are fearing that this might not happen. So try not to say the not word. Okay, try saying, yes, I will manifest it, yes, I will make it happen. Okay, so things will actually happen the way you want. Try to manifest it that way. Final outcome, Queen of Pentacles. Wow, see, so you are actually, when the positive energies are inside you, you don't need anything else. Positivity will enter in your life and everything will happen the way you want. So you are attracting love, you are attracting money, you are attracting all the good things in life, because you want the good things and you are manifesting. You are asking for the good things, you are asking for the right things, so they will come to you. You are not, I don't see over here that you are asking the wrong things. The environment around you is not supporting you, but you are very rigid, and that is good. You know that you want to move on, and that is good, and it will help you move on in your life. Okay, so very very beautiful energy, Virgos. I am really happy to do your this reading today. Very beautiful. Okay, so that is all from my side, my Virgos. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.